What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Spec Egg adventure. What are we picking up today, Tommy?
We are picking up a factory removable hardtop for the NC. So basically, I looked on different sites. People kept saying online that you cannot order a brand new one from the dealer, but that's not true. You can actually order a new one. It's about $2,500. Basically, the color that I wanted is a custom order, so it has to be made from Japan. So I waited for about 3.5 to 4 months for it to get here. Usually, in the used market, that's how much it goes for.
So you're telling me the $2,500 is actually the price, the going price for a used NC top?
Yeah.
And you can actually spend $2,500 on a new NC top, color match.
Exactly. But you have to wait for it. And you have, sometimes a used one is not even in the perfect condition.
We are on our way to Hayward right now, and we'll check back in once we're there.
Good. I'm picking up a delivery.
Got the top out, some hardware that comes with it. We did notice though, because of the way that it was transported, the box was actually like beat to shit on the outside, and there wasn't like much.
I'm surprised that it actually it's only this scratch.
Yeah.
I thought it would be all banged up.
There wasn't much like cushioning or anything protecting the actual hardtop inside from the crushed box, and this was the damage that came with it. The only damage though. Overall condition looks decent, so there's that. Tommy's checking the hardware now. We're at Central Transport parking lot, and we're gonna be doing a install in their parking lot. We have the top down now, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the Frankenstein bolts on the rear for both. And then I think you said side striker, right?
Side strikers and dude, I ordered some more stuff from them,
what?
but then I don't think they included it.
Or it might have fell out of the box, you know what I'm saying, during transport, because it wasn't taped down. It was literally just thrown in the box.
I don't even have cloth. I pulled this piece of panels in advance, so I knew that I had to take it off anyway. So this one has a little cutout for it, for the striker to go on, I think.
Oh, it's the outer trim piece.
Yeah, but then the factory ones doesn't have this cutout, so you do need this piece.
It comes with a hardtop.
It comes with a hardtop.
Sick.
But if you, down the road, if you do delete the soft top, then obviously you can't reuse this piece. And the factory roll bar. First, pull this out. And then you lift this in first. Oh yeah, man. And then you
right
use
in.
these 2 screws. Your wire, that's really nice. That comes with this hardtop. If you go underneath there, there's actually a clip. That's for the defroster of our soft top. So you basically disconnect that away from the from the harness defroster wire and plug this in.
Oh, it's so blurred. Oh.
Yeah.
Yep, that one right there.
Yep. Your hand
looking good. Looking like a brand new car out here. So I'm sure you guys know already, but I guess 2 people to put on the top. The top is actually pretty heavy. I think it's actually more heavy than the N, A, and B tops. I think it has to do with like this part, and then it's just the mass of the top, because it's a lot bigger and stuff is a lot heftier. It's just pretty heavy. 2 people job for sure. So I just wanted to give some context why we even had to drive the car out here to do a random install in the middle of a random lot. So basically the hardtop was shipped over to this shipping yard, and we had to come pick it up. We don't exactly have a car that could fit the entire hardtop with its box. The other option would be to go to a U-Haul and rent a pickup truck or whatever. It was
about
like
$80 from Milpitas to here.
Yeah.
Said and done.
Yeah,
Wow.
so we were like, yeah, you know what, just drive the Miata out there, install the top on there, come back with the top, and call it a day.
For the center ledge, I think you just basically like hook it to the frame of the car, and it will just pull itself in. So this, we installed a striker, right? So basically this is supposed to go underneath and it pulls on it. There you go. You see how it pulled down the whole hard top down? Yeah, this is heavy.
Not going anywhere.
You make sure the hook is inside the striker. So when you, I mean, it literally pulls the hard top down, and it's secured.
But this was the hook that Tommy was talking about. This one right here. Our top is installed. I actually really like the headliner material. It's like some carpet material. Very cozy. Ow, just pulled my hair. I lost a hair.